Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Make sure your phone is unlocked, charged above 20%, and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open Google Contacts or your device contacts app and sign into the Google account you plan to use. Once signed in, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, then toggle Sync Contacts on. This initial sync step ensures the phone and cloud share the same data. Do this now so subsequent exports and restorations are accurate and complete. Once sync is active, you export a local copy so you have direct control. In the Contacts app, open Settings and pick Export. Choose the specific account or all contacts if you want everything. Save the file as a VCF to internal storage. Alternatively, select Google Drive to upload instantly for redundancy. Make sure you note the file name and folder path or tap Upload. This export gives you a portable VCF that can be imported on any device or used. You finish by verifying and knowing how to restore. Open the exported VCF to confirm contacts appear and check file size and timestamp so you know it's recent. To restore, import the VCF in the Contacts app or simply sign into the same Google account on a new device and allow sync to complete. If some contacts are missing, make sure Sync Contacts is enabled, re-export as needed, and clear the Contacts app cache. This often resolves stubborn sync mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.